Hi, this is Denisa, and in this video I'm going to go over how to write a program that prints out a list of values, or just prints out values, which proves which of these expressions is larger, sine of cosine x or cosine of sine x. And I've derived this challenge from Codebymath, and Codebymath is a website where you can learn code and learn math in the context of each other, and I recommend you go check it out. It uses Lua, but I'm going to use Python in this video because this is what I'm learning. Okay, so I'm going to set out to do just that, right? So I'm going to write a function to basically evaluate this. So define which figure, and then it takes the value x, which will be evaluated, and then we're going to have a variable called isBigger, and then it's going to test. Is going to be it's going to have a boolean value, which is going to test this. Oh yes, of course you need to. I'm going to use the math module to calculate sine and cosine, of course. So math, okay, and math sine cosine of math cosine of x, and then we're going to test if it's bigger than cosine of sine, and then it's going to return true or false, depending on the value we give it here, right? And so we're going to write if this is true, we're going to like print out sine cosine x is larger than cosine sine x. So you're going to basically say that this is true. And we're going to replace these values depending on what value we give it, because we don't. It might, of course, be different depending on what value we give it. So you're going to format this string so that x is going to be inside the value when it's printed out. And we're going to do that using format x. So what this is going to do is going to print this value, and then replace, and then the zeros inside the squirrely brackets is going to be replaced by the x value we give it. And we're going to write else. So if it's false, it's actually we should do this. Return. Yeah, return this. We're going to return a string instead, so we can print the function. So this is going to return the opposite if it finds that it's false. And we're just going to do the same. The values are going to replace by the value that we find it. Okay, so we can now do print this, and then give it any arbitrary value, like for example 1. It takes the cosine and sine value takes radians. So if you're going to do an actual proper math expression, you should probably give it values in radians. But I'm just going to test which expression evaluates as the larger. So giving any arbitrary value is okay here. Okay, so what happened here is that I used a function input in 1, and then this variable evaluated the boolean to be false, so it returned this string saying that the cosine of sine x is larger than sine of cosine x. And then in the string, what happened was this format function right here replaced the zeros in the string that I used in the function with the x. So we're gonna have a loop to run this through some more values. So for I in range 100, for example, you can then do print which bigger I, and then it's going to print, and it's going to test all the values up to 100. I mean up to 99 in this case, since yeah, and then it's going to test all of these, and then it's going to print out, and we can see if this expression is evaluated as true up to 100. And you can see very clearly that it all evaluates to that the cosine of sine x is bigger. So you might want to try that with a negative integer. And you can still see that it evaluates as cosine of sine x is larger than the other expression. So yeah, that's it really. We've proven that, at least for the values that we've taken here, that the cosine of sine x seems to be larger than the sine of cosine x. So that's the solution to this coding challenge here. That's it, and thanks for watching.